This is a lovely apple that I procured out of a moonshine bottle. And I'm gonna eat it. See what happens. Smells delicious.
Face tells the story, bro.
Oh my god. Oh.
It's also cinnamon in there, don't forget. The cinnamon apple. It's good moonshine, though. God, this is an awesome video. Your face is like turning so red, dude.
My mouth tastes like a volcano.
Is it some of the hottest shit?
Oh. Fuck, dude.
This is like on YouTube. Would you eat the other one?
Oh.
Don't die on me now. A minute, 30 seconds of pain look like.
Fucking delicious. I wouldn't have it any other way.
That's not the video now.